In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop GoDaddy selling your personal information. Whether you bought a domain or host a site, it's worth taking a minute to lock down your privacy settings so your data isn't shared for marketing or sold to third parties. First, open your browser and head to Google. In the search bar, type GoDaddy. In the results, click the official GoDaddy link. You'll recognize it by the godaddy.com address. This ensures you're on the real site and not a lookalike. If your browser blocks pop-ups or cookies, allow them temporarily so the account pages load correctly. Once you're on GoDaddy, sign into your account. You might be asked for two-step verification. Complete that as usual. After you're logged in, look to the top right of the page and click your username or profile icon to open the account menu. This menu gives quick access to settings that control how your information is used across GoDaddy services. In the menu, choose Account Settings. This takes you to the central dashboard for your profile, billing, and privacy options. On the left or within the page options, select Delegate Access. Even though it's primarily for letting others manage your products, this area also links to your privacy choices. Scroll to the bottom of the Delegate Access section and click Do Not Sell My Personal Information. This is the legal opt-out link you'll see on many sites, created to comply with privacy requirements in places like California. Clicking it opens GoDaddy's Privacy Preference Center, so you can turn off any sale or sharing of your personal data. Inside the Privacy Center, click Manage Privacy Settings. Review what's listed carefully. Depending on your region, you may see options related to selling or sharing data for targeted advertising and analytics. Make sure the choices reflect your preference to opt out of sale and sharing. If a confirmation box appears, confirm your selections so they're applied to your account. When you're finished, click Save. Look for a success message or banner to confirm your changes. Keep in mind that some preferences rely on cookies, which means you'll want to repeat this on other browsers or devices you use with GoDaddy. If the interface looks different, GoDaddy may have updated the layout, but the privacy link is still available from these areas. That's it. Your settings now block the sale of your personal information.